MivoCloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Hello, today I'm going to show you how to install RustDesk on your Ubuntu server. By the end of this video you'll have RustDesk up and running, and I'll also demonstrate how to use it to connect Windows to Ubuntu. First, we need to install a desktop environment on our Ubuntu server. Go ahead and use this command. Next, we'll download the latest version of RustDesk from GitHub. You can use this command to do that, but make sure to check the GitHub link in the description to ensure you're getting the most recent version. The second way to install it is via Flatpak. First, install Flatpak itself using this command. Next, add the Flatpak repository. Finally, install RustDesk using the following command. Now, switch over to your Ubuntu desktop. You'll find RustDesk among your installed applications. Open it up and a window will appear showing your connection credentials. RustDesk is now installed and ready for work. As a quick demo, I'll download a RustDesk on my local computer to show you how to connect. Simply enter the IDs displayed on your server. You can then either enter the password or manually accept the connection request on the server itself. Once connected, you'll have full remote control of your server. That's it for the installation. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button so more people can find this guide. All comments I used are in the pinned comment below. If you run into any errors or have a suggestion for the next tutorial, drop a comment and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching MivoCloud.